Predatory Look is a trend strategy designed to work on any time frames. It is based on Alligator indicator and the awesome oscillator. Trading preparation. Switch to the Japanese candles chart and choose 5 minutes time frame. Trade expiration period set to 10 minutes. Open the indicator tabs and add the Alligator indicator to the chart with the standard settings. Then, in the Indicators menu, select the Awesome Oscillator, leaving the default settings. The combination of these two technical analyst tools will give us the main signals for trade opening. Opening up trade. Observe the chart. The moment when the green line of the Alligator lips crosses blue balance line, which is called the jaws, from the bottom up, and the first green bar appears on the oscillator histogram, will be a signal to open the up trade. The entry point for the down trade will be the intersection from top to bottom of lips and jaws lines and the appearance of the first red bar on the histogram. Now let's see how the strategy works in practice. Study and earn with us.